Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an admin to a group on the Instagram app using your PC, following the latest update. If you manage a group chat and want to give someone else admin privileges, this quick guide will walk you through the simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left menu and click on the Messages icon. This will take you to your direct messages and group chats. Next, find the group chat where you want to add a new admin and open it. At the top right corner of the chat window, you'll see an info icon. Click on that to access the group details. Now, scroll through the list of members until you find the person you want to promote to admin. Once you locate their name, look for the three dots icon next to it. Clicking these dots will open a small menu with options. From this menu, select Make Admin. That's it. The member will now have admin privileges in the group, allowing them to manage settings, add or remove members, and help keep the group running smoothly. Adding an admin is a great way to share responsibilities, especially in large or active groups. It helps keep things organized and ensures that someone is always available to manage the group, even if you're not online. To recap, open Instagram on your PC, click the Messages icon, open your group chat, click the info icon, find the member, click the three dots next to their name, and choose Make Admin. It's straightforward and takes only a few moments. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Instagram's latest features.